So guys, I'm currently under a severe thunderstorm warning. I just got home from school.
Coastal waters from up.
This guy didn't go off because he was off. I accidentally left that one on tonight. That went off. 262 is dead. I don't know if this will work or not, but I have the 100 connected to the 262. I know they're in the wrong jack, but I can't get it to. There's no other. I mean, I can't get it to fit in the antenna jack, so. The 100 has an antenna jack. It fits. I mean, if the 100 were dead, I'd try this, but 100's not dead. It works fine after a few months. So, 100 right there. The 262, I can't even get it in. So, yeah. I'm just going to thunderstorm warning. I have these two disconnected. 259 is fine.
Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Wednesday,